Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Chelsea from K-Water Quiz TV, and I am here with you all for a fun quiz time. I say ready, you say go. Ready, go. I am a type of food. I am often eaten at breakfast. I am made from a chicken's egg. I am the color yellow. The ancient Romans perfected me for their breakfast meal. You can also find me in fried rice. Have you already guessed what food I am? I will now give you the biggest hint with cooking time! Everyone, are you ready to cook? Are you ready to cook? I say ready, you say go. Ready, go. Great. Okay, first, let's take a look at our ingredients. We need vegetable oil, salt, black pepper, and a fresh egg. Great! Now, let's start cooking. First step, pour a tablespoon of vegetable oil into a frying pan. And then, crack your egg and pour it into the sizzling pan. Add a dash of salt and black pepper to the egg. Now, take your spatula and scramble the egg until it is light and fluffy. And you're done! Yeah! Oh, I suggest adding some toast, bacon, and some freshly squeezed orange juice to complete your tasty meal. I start with the letter S. What food am I?